supposed to do? Well, I can't take it anymore. Oh, I can't take it anymore.
You like reading that story?
No, I play this one for duckling.
The end. What a nice story. Show me the title. What's it called?
The pigeon finds a hot dog. Scooty, scoot, scoot. The policeman for a duckling. Look, see? You want to see the pages?
Sure. You know the whole story, don't you?
Yes.
Good job.
Oh, flap, flap, flap. Oh, a hot dog. Flap, flap, flap. Oh, yum, yum, yum,